Good morning, Beta. We'll continue with The Merchant of Venice, the Ring episode, and what part is played by the rings in The Merchant of Venice. Uh, when Bassanio and Portia get married after the choice of the caskets, she accepts him as her husband and she offers him all her wealth, treasures, and servants. She also gives him a ring to wear on his finger. At this ring ceremony, he pledges that he will always wear that ring. He will never part with it or give it away to anyone. He promises to keep it with him till the end of his life. Similarly, Nerissa also gives a ring to Gratiano with the same promise. Now, when the trial scene takes place, Portia and Nerissa appear in the court, dressed as a lawyer and his clerk. They save the life of Antonio and get the rings from their husbands as a reward. Bassanio is compelled by Antonio to part with the ring. He says, "Okay, no problem, we will get more rings for you. You can take another one," and give it to the lawyer. It is a clear plan of Portia to make fun of Bassanio and Gratiano and to create fun and laughter. The husbands will swear that they gave the rings to men, and the wives will swear that they gave them to women. A quarrel starts. After, when they return from Venice, Nerissa finds Gratiano's ring missing from his finger. She starts fighting with him. She rebukes him for the loss of the ring. He swears that he gave it to the lawyer's clerk. Nerissa pretends to be very angry. She swears that he has given it to a woman, and he swears that he gave it to a man. Now Portia takes the side of Nerissa and blames Gratiano. Portia believes that her husband Bassanio would never have given his ring to anyone. She will be mad if her husband gives away the ring. But Bassanio's ring is also missing. Now you know that Bassanio has given the ring to the lawyer. Gratiano explains that Bassanio gave his ring to the liar and he gave his ring to the liar's clerk. Portia pretends to be angry and accuses Bassanio of infidelity. She threatens to be free with the liar and deny him nothing if he approaches her with a ring. Nerissa gives a similar threat to her husband. They both look sheepish, and the wives pounce upon them and fight. Now, at this juncture, Antonio comes and he stands surety for Bassanio, and he says that it was me who had told Bassanio to give the ring to the lawyer. Portia hands over the ring to Antonio and asks him to pass it to Bassanio. It is the same ring. Bassanio is now taken aback. Portia reveals the mystery now because she explains that she was the lawyer and Nerissa was her clerk. It establishes the identity of Portia and Nerissa as the lawyer and the clerk. The rings prove their presence in the court, otherwise nobody would have believed. Portia has won the victory over Shylock, and this ring episode proves her final victory, and it serves a great dramatic purpose. Now the casket story gives birth to the ring episode. Bassanio chooses the right casket, and Portia gives him the ring. Antonio is the hero of the Bond story. He compels Bassanio to give the ring to Portia, who is dressed as a lawyer. Now she saves the life of Antonio in the trial scene. In this way, ring episode acts as a connector between all the other stories. It also gives comic relief after the tragic gloom of the trial scene. Tension and tragedy which would have taken place if Shylock had won the case. Episode is a little comedy in itself. The clouds of tragedy and the gloom of the trial scene fades away. If this play had ended here in after the trial scene, it would have been a Shylock tragedy of Shylock. The Ring episode turns it into a comedy, and it gives a happy ending to this play, because the play ends with the comic words of Gratiano that he will fear no other thing so much as to keep safe Nerissa's ring. Ring episode throws light on the gay and light-hearted side of Portia's character. She cannot be serious all the time. She also loves fun and laughter, and the Ring episode is her making. She makes a clever plan to outwit and outswear Bassanio and Gratiano, and she scolds and threatens her husband. She says that if the lawyer comes to her and brings her ring and Bassanio, I will leave Bassanio, I will leave Gratiano, and he can go, Bassanio, and he can go anywhere he wants. So this is the Ring episode, or the connecting episode, connector you can say, which connects all the stories together and brings the play Merchant of Venice to a comical end. I hope you have understood, and we'll be doing the next, the trial scene tomorrow. Thank you.